This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Today we're talking about Tesla hitting a new high while also hitting a potential new low, and how electric cars are sort of like Chipotle burritos. Here's the latest in all things mobility.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
We've got some good news and bad news for Tesla fans. So to make things easier on everybody, we'll start with the bad and finish with the good. First, not to alarm you Tesla drivers, but Tesla cars are currently under investigation after an alarming number of reports that cars are accelerating on their own. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, a petition of over 120 reports and more than 50 injuries has prompted this investigation. According to reports, some part of the vehicle's systems can fail, leading to dangerous situations. The complaints say the cars suddenly accelerate without warning, which has led to crashes. So basically, with one little glitch, the car goes rogue, taking things into its own hands, with a need for speed and pent-up human hostility. Tesla don't care about you. Tesla just want to go fast. Bear in mind, however, that NHTSA estimates that every year, 16,000 accidents that are reported as sudden unintended acceleration are actually driver error. Drivers intend to apply the brake, but mistakenly apply the accelerator. Let's hope NHTSA gets to the bottom of this Tesla thing and that there's a quick and simple fix, because there are a lot of Teslas on the roads where I live and I would like to continue living. It seems like Tesla has never been able to shake its detractors. Even when everything else was going swimmingly for the company, Elon Musk's wackadoodle tweets start firing off or an autopilot crash happens. So despite this very bad press about cars speeding up on their own and people getting hurt, Tesla stock is actually doing better than ever before. Not only did the Palo Alto carmaker meet their production goal in 2019, their shares have soared to over $540 a piece, making the company more valuable than Ford or GM. Sure, the end of the federal government's EV subsidy might hamper sales, but Tesla's upcoming Model Y and new factory in China should keep Elon laughing all the way to the bank. Building an electric car is kind of like ordering at Chipotle. So many options for body styling, but your main cost is always going to be the meat. And for an EV, the meat is the battery. Batteries are expensive. The bigger the battery, the more costly the car. Unfortunately, most people want a ton of range at the cheapest cost possible. An automaker will give you more range, but it's gonna load down your car burrito with extra weight and cost you more. So maybe it's more like a supermarket salad bar. Interestingly, car makers are abandoning the idea of bigger batteries, not just because they're expensive, but also because they make cars super heavy. Besides, the more lightweight the car, the farther a battery can propel it. So now, scientists are literally trying to figure out if it makes more sense to use expensive, super lightweight material like carbon fiber to make electric cars lighter. Lighter weight cars require less battery power to go the same distance. Look, I am all for that kind of ingenuity. It doesn't matter to me if the battery has 40 or 80 kilowatts, as long as the car can still drive a couple hundred miles on a full charge, and I can make a pit stop at fast food heaven. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Next on Ride News Now, the federal and done. And this day's gonna go great. Wait, say the word for me that I couldn't say before, because now it's gonna ingenuity. How electric cars are sort of like, oh, and how electric, sorry. Can we make the font a size bigger, actually? Okay, you guys get up here and read all this.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.